Hello! Today we're going to show you how to create a simple hexagon bolt in FreeCAD. This tutorial is designed for beginners and it's pretty straightforward. Let's get started. Open FreeCAD and create a new project. Go to the Part Design workbench, then create a new body and open the Sketcher. Select the XY plane, then click OK. Use the hexagon tool to draw a hexagon at the center. Adjust the dimensions as per your design. Click Close to finish the sketch. Click on Pad, set the desired height for the bolt head, then click OK. Now you have the hexagonal head of the bolt, creating the bolt shaft. In the same body, open Sketcher again. Choose the XY plane and click OK. At the center of the hexagon, draw a circle for the shaft. Set the diameter as needed. Click Close, then use Pad to extrude the shaft. Adjust the length to your desired bolt size and click OK. Filleting the edge. Click on the circular edge where the shaft meets the bolt head. Use the fillet tool to round the edge. This gives a more realistic and smooth appearance. Creating the thread. Go to the Sketcher and select the XZ plane, then click OK. Use the polyline tool to draw a small triangular shape. This represents the thread profile. Position the triangle close to the bolt shaft. With the triangle sketch selected, click on Additive Helix. You'll now see the thread wrapped around the shaft. Adjust the pitch and height of the helix to suit your design. Your hex bolt is ready. Well done! You've just created a hexagon bolt with threads in FreeCAD. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Your support encourages me to keep creating more tutorials.